Igbo jingles with Oidia. This is Igbo jingles with Oidia. In case if you are new to this channel, this is that channel where we learn everything you need to know about the Igbo language. And today we are starting a new series, which is learning all the greetings in Igbo language, which is Ekele Ndi Igbo. As you can see on the board, Ekele Ndi Igbo, meaning greetings in Igbo. Ekele ụtụtụ, that's what we're going to start with, which is Ekele in the morning, greeting in the morning. Ekele ụtụtụ means morning, and then Ekele means a greeting. So we are going to start the first one, which is like a question. You will be surprised, which is like a question. It says Ibolachi. Ibolachi. Ibolachi is like a question. Are you awake? Then the next one is Isalachi. It's the same thing, but it's in a, Igbo language has different dialects, have different dialects, and some people will say Ibolachi, some people will say Isalachi. So we are going to, so when Igbo people say Isalachi, even though Chi means God, meaning Chi, but here in this context, Isalachi means like Ototo, as in waking up to see the next day. Chi ụtụtụ, meaning early morning. Chi ụtụtụ. So Isalachi means are you awake? Isalachi, the same thing. It's the same are you awake, but in a different dialect. Like if they are being direct, they will say Oma means good. Another one is Itetala. Itetala is another way of asking you, are you awake? But in a different way. Itetala. My bad. I put Isalachi and then the meaning is Isalachi again. So another one is, it's like a generalized greeting in Igbo language. Ndewo. Ndewo, you can say Ndewo in the evening, you can say Ndewo in the afternoon, you can say Ndewo to somebody that did a good deed to you. So Ndewo is the last. Ndewo. Ndewo. You can say Ndewo in the morning as well. You can say Ndewo in the afternoon, and you can say Ndewo. So let's do a recap of what we did today. Remember, we say we are learning the Ekele Ụtụtụ, meaning morning greetings. And then the first one we did is Ibolachi. Ibolachi, are you awake? It's like asking you a question, but it's not really a question. Just finding out how you are. Like somebody is asking you, how are you doing? So Ibolachi, Isalachi, Ụtụtụ ọma, Ụtụtụ ọma, Itetalachi, and the same, and then Ndewo. Itetalachi is also the same, are you awake? And that is where we're going to end today's lesson on Igbo jingles with Oidia. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to keep learning, keep practicing, and that is how you will be proficient in this language. Have a wonderful day. Igbo jingles with Oidia.